Spaghetti has been part of the Filipino culture and tradition. Sino ba namang Pinoy ang hindi mahilig sa Filipino Style Spaghetti? From bunso to lolo, hindi tatangging kumain ito lalo na ngayong Pasko. Today I'll share with you my version of Filipino Style Spaghetti na pwede mong iserve this Christmas. This is Kirby of KMACS Kitchen. Ready ka na? Tara, luto tayo! Okay, so shout out muna tayo. Thank you for those comments and continue to leave your comments and tell me what you think about my recipes. You can also request some dishes na gusto nyong lutuin ko. Keep on watching and supporting KMACS Kitchen. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit that subscribe button and the notification bell para updated ka sa mga future recipes na i-share ko. Pinoy Style Spaghetti. Filipinos are very innovative kaya naman palagi tayong may version ng mga international dishes. One of these is our Pinoy Style Spaghetti. This is our adaptation of the Italian spaghetti. History says that the Filipino Style Spaghetti originated back in between 1940s and 1960s, which was the American Commonwealth Period. Nagkaroon ng shortage ng supply ng kamatis na ginagawang tomato sauce, and because of the abundance of bananas in the Philippines, the production of banana ketchup started. Americans during that time introduced spaghetti with Bolognese sauce na napasa from generation to generation. At ito yung kasalukuyang Filipino Style Spaghetti. Ang galing, di ba? Ano bang kailangan natin? Alright, we need Filipino Style Spaghetti sauce, ground beef, hot dog, tomato paste, evaporated milk, garlic, onion, carrot, salt, pepper, parsley, cooked spaghetti, Parmesan cheese, and cheddar cheese. The exact measurements are in the description box. Alright, so let's start cooking. In a pan, maglagay lang tayo ng olive oil, about 1 tablespoon. Habang hindi pa mainit, let's put in our garlic and our onions. Make sure to mix it and iwasan nating masunog. Need lang nating lumambot ito or mag-sweat dahil ayaw natin ng mapait na sauce. At this point, ilagay na natin yung ground beef. Saute it until mag-brown and maglabas ng oil yung beef. Let's season our meat with some salt and pepper. We call it layering of flavors para mamaya konting adjustment na lang. Then our sliced hot dogs. Ito yung signature ingredient ng Pinoy Spaghetti, red and meaty hot dogs. Igisa lang natin hanggang maluto yung beef and hot dogs. Ilagay na rin natin yung carrots. This adds natural sweetness sa sauce natin. Gumamit lang ako ng food processor para mas fine yung cut ng carrot natin. If wala namang food processor, pwede kang gumamit ng kutsilyo and mince it. Takpan lang natin hanggang sa maluto. At this point, we can now pour in our Filipino style tomato sauce. There are actually two variants that you can use. We have the sweet style, which is gustong-gusto ng mga bata, and the Filipino style, which has a hint of tanginess or asim, pero mas nangingibabaw pa rin yung tamis. Add na rin natin yung tomato paste. This will make our sauce thicker and mas vibrant yung color niya. Just mix it together, making sure na well combined na yung sauce and paste. Add a bit of water if medyo thick yung sauce. Hindi na ako gumamit ng banana ketchup kasi Filipino style sauce na yung gamit natin, so matamis na siya. But it's still your preference to use it. Let's just simmer this for 3 to 5 minutes. Let's add our evaporated milk. This will make our sauce creamy. Pwede ka rin gumamit ng cream, yung iba naman gumagamit ng condensed milk para may added sweetness. Let's also add in our parsley. Haluin lang natin until even na yung kulay ng sauce. Let's season it with some salt and pepper. To balance everything, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then our Parmesan cheese for added umami. Lastly, yung grated cheddar cheese. You can adjust the saltiness and sweetness depending on your preference. Let's simmer this for another 2 to 3 minutes. There you go, our sauce is ready. We can now turn the heat off. Magtatabi lang ako ng sauce for our toppings later. Ilagay na natin yung pasta sa sauce. Mix it and make sure na well coated ng sauce natin yung pasta. Nagluto na ako ng spaghetti noodles ahead of time. You just have to follow the package instructions ng spaghetti na gagamitin nyo. You can also watch how I cook pasta on my other pasta videos, which are linked in the description box. Plate na natin. Top it with more sauce and Parmesan cheese. For garnish, top it with some fresh basil leaves. And there you have it everyone, this is our Filipino Style Spaghetti. Serve mo na to this Christmas.
Thanks for watching everyone, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe ka na rin and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga future recipes na i-share ko. And share mo na rin to sa mga friends and family members mong mahilig kumain at magluto. And also don't forget to follow KMACS Kitchen on Facebook and Instagram. And if you have any questions or any suggested dish na gusto nyo lutuin ko, please comment down below. Malay mo, next episode natin yun na yung lutuin ko. Again, this is Kirby of KMACS Kitchen. Tara, kain tayo!